Guys, I'm just sitting here because my dad and our neighbor is doing my sister's room floors. Mine's already down, as you know. And when I do the really loud nail gun, this one gets all scared. Hey, are you scared? Somebody's here petting him. We're just hanging out, having some mommy son time. I'm petting him, calming him down, or trying to. I have to go to Walmart and get a few things. I don't know where this vlog is gonna end up, but this is where it is for now, eh, bum? You scared? See why she's gonna get scared. It's okay. It's okay. What do you want? Come here. Come. Come here. Come up. And don't mind my hair. I just didn't want to straighten it. You stink a little. Your breath is nasty. Where, guys, I'm making cookies and don't mind my hair. Oh, watch this. Look at this rain. No, it looks worse the other side. Stop. Look at my buddy. Hey. Hey. Are you my partner? Good. Ooh, good boy. Come here. Come on. Have another one. Good boy, you're so cute. Timer, cookies are done. Hi, little man. Hi, little man. Are you waiting for someone to play with you and your ball? Oh. Again. Ellie and Jared. You can't, your leg hurts too much. You can't, little guy. The floors are pretty much done. There's half a room left. Then it's all finished. What do you guys think of... Oh, these are the other ones. Hey, you can't play with this. It's gonna hurt you, bum. I have to try to get footage for Friday's video, so... Don't mind the way I look. So much to get done. So much stuff around the house. Not really around the house, just like putting floors in and cleaning the mess up around it. Like the saw right there makes a lot of mess with this sawdust. This little guy was covered with it because he was laying right in it before. I had to brush him off with my comb. Hey, we have flowers. The plants. I just left Costco. I need to get footage, so I'm taping this. I just filled the trunk up. My mom's coming somewhere. It's hot. I might go on Periscope today, which is Friday, because this is going on Friday. I might have people watching me, so I have to be quiet, because the window's open. But I might Periscope tomorrow, so I'll look out for that. We're trying to find flowers for my family's grave, but I can't find roses for my nanny because her name was Rosalie. Can't find any. This one's nice. That one's pretty. So yeah, Periscope. Today, later in the afternoon. This will go up in the morning, so I'll tweet it. Follow my Twitter. Hi. I don't know if you heard me in the last clip, but follow me on Twitter and you'll know when I'm gonna be live on Periscope. This is going up in the morning, like I said. Hopefully, I'll try to. I have to edit it when I get home. So this is Friday. I'm at Walmart right now. You know, I'm here every day pretty much. I should be sponsored. So yeah, probably later in the afternoon because I have to do some stuff. Guy walking by. Hi. Look at this guy. How pretty is that? Not right here. Oh, the clouds are. The clouds are cool. Look at this guy. Oh, hi. Guys, I bought s'mores Oreos again. I'm so excited. I'm getting Snapchat. Let's see. S'mores Oreo. Yum. Is it gonna focus? Oh. It's so good. I want more of these too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. See you on Periscope.